Hello everyone, today I thought to share this quick tip on how to get a toddler eating more vegetables. This recipe is for a child of over 1 year, so if yours is below 1 year, then definitely skip this salt. And if your baby is just starting out on solids, you may want to do one vegetable at a time. For example, you can blend just carrots or the green beans or peas. This makes it easy to know when a child reacts to a certain food. Make sure to steam on low heat and with little amount of water. Blend while it's still warm. Any leftovers can be saved in the fridge for 3 days. This will serve as an in-between meal, but to make it a full meal, then add well-cooked beef, chicken or fish, then something like rice, pasta or couscous. A quick encouragement to every parent out there, mothers especially, you are doing such a great job. So even when it feels like every other person is doing it better, you can rest assured that you know your child better than anybody else, and your undiluted love and care for them is of a great value. I really hope someone out there finds this video helpful, and I want to use this opportunity to thank my subscribers and thank you for tuning in. And as always, here in my kitchen, I treat you with super easy healthy recipes. Bye!